Plus 4 is the oxidation number of platinum. So the next example is this one. Similarly here, this is the central metal atom, these all are the ligands, this is the coordinate entity and this is the counter ion. Okay? Next, in this case we will start the naming of the coordination compound with the counting, that is tetra, aqua. Why we are writing the name of this H2O before as compared to the chlorine? Because the alphabet aqua having A, and in the case of chlorine, chlorido having C, so C will come after the A. So that's why we are using this tetra aqua dichlorido. We will not follow alphabetical order for the tetra and di like names. Okay, di, tri, penta, hexa. We will not use alphabetical order for the di, tri, penta, hexa. We will use alphabetical order for these kind of ligands having name aqua, chlorido, amine. That's it. Okay. So aqua, dichlorido, chromium, third indicates the oxidation number of the central metal atom, and then nitrates. Okay, nitrate is used for NO3. So the last example is this one. How to calculate the oxidation number? This is here. Okay. So last example for that, nomenclature. Central metal atom, that is copper, H2O whole twice, NH3 whole 4, SO4. Okay. Now in this case we will write the name of this one or this one. This is H2O, that is aqua. The first letter will be A. In the case of amine, the first letter will be A. So in this case we will follow the next letter after this. After A this is Q, and after A this is M. So which will come, M or Q? Which will come before? So M will come before, so that's why we are using here tetraamine diaqua copper. Second is the oxidation number of the copper. Similarly we are getting this one, and sulfate. So this is the pattern how to write the name of the coordination complex. One more thing, when we write the names of the coordination complex, we will follow the alphabetical order. We will follow the alphabetical order for the ligands. Ligands name. For the ligands name. Suppose that in the exam question paper have this kind of nomenclature: tetraamine, chlorido, nitrito, N, and platinum's 4th sulfate. So how to write the formula of this compound? You will write platinum as the central atom. So now you have 3 ligands, Cl, NO2, NH3 whole 4. So which will comes first in this formula? So that will be decided by on the basis of first letter of the symbols of ligand. When we write the formula of the coordination complex, then in the case of ligands, in the heteroleptic concept, we will follow the alphabetical order of the ligands symbol. Okay, here in the case of nomenclature we will follow the alphabetical order for the ligands name, but in the case of written formula of the formula of the coordination complex, we will follow the first letter of the symbols of the ligands. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this lecture. Thank you, class.